Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite girl Dyna Ekwueme in the building. Today I'm bringing you an exciting product that I think is for you, and the product or the company is called Lifestylewiz. You can check them out at www.lifestylewiz.com. Today we will be unwrapping, dissecting, opening up this blender content, and yeah, this is what it looks like. You have the on and off button, you have the spot for putting the cord, and like I said, we'll be opening up everything. That's the filter system. If you want to separate the coarse from the smooth part of your smoothie or your food, after blending you can just easily pour it off from the bottom lid. As you can see, it's portable as well. You can fit it in your bag, wherever, inside your pint, your bra. You can fit it anywhere. Like I said, we are going to be opening up every time. So sorry guys, I didn't unbox this with you guys because I already started using it, so this is just initial. But anyway, I'm really excited to share this with you. That's what you use for washing. Obviously you won't be using your hand to wash because there's a blade in there, so you want to be very cautious. Those are the blades. It comes with 6 blades in there. You can see a sharp one and 2 coarse ones, 2 really edgy ones. And on the website, some websites you see cheaper ones, but those blades in there differentiate this one from those ones. This one comes with 6 sharp blades, while the rest may come with 2, 3 or 4. So be sure the type you're getting to make blending easier for you. This is the cord. Like I said, is very portable, very easy to go, very convenient. You can charge it on the go with your power bank, like you can see here, with your laptop, with any single thing you feel like charging, as long as it fits with the cord. You can just charge it and be going. You can't stress yourself. You can carry it to your office, you can stay at home and use it, you can carry it to war, wherever you want to carry it, to the club, to the church, wherever. Today we are going to be making a banana and watermelon smoothie, and as you can see here, I'm just putting them in. It already looks yummy, innit? Anyway, I've been so excited about this product. I've been using it already. I'm using orange juice. I squeezed that myself. You can use water, you can use liquid milk to dilute whatever, so you don't want to destroy your blades or make it blunt earlier than normal. So I just use orange juice, twirl it, shake it, up and down movement. Make sure to align that red arrow you see with the on and off button. If not, it wouldn't blend. So please, that's the secret to blending, especially if you dissect everything and wash it after blending. Yeah, after that, just press the on and off button. I'm the worst person to advertise your product, but anyway, hopefully this is satisfying. This is just nice. This is your product. It's your product. Don't say you don't need it. You need it to keep up with the healthy lifestyle, everything. You need this product. And let me give you an interesting thing. If you click on the link below in my description box, you would get 35% off their on promo bonanza discount. I know people like free things. Just click on there. They ship everywhere, wherever you are: Nigeria, USA, UK, under the world, Mars, Jupiter. They ship everywhere. So hurry and get your own Lifestylewiz blender, or you can go on the website www.lifestylewiz.com. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Cheers. Anyway, yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. For now, bye bye.